Hi guys, welcome back to another training video on AI in content creation and digital marketing. All right, so good morning or good afternoon or good evening, depending on wherever you are in the world. Um, yeah, so last time we talked about creating images using artificial intelligence, right? So we started with artificial intelligence in writing, and the tool we used for that was WriteSonic. Then we moved on to artificial intelligence in images, and we created some images yesterday using CG Dream. We can remember CG Dream. And today we are going to continue in artificial intelligence in in images, using a new tool that I told you about last time. And this tool is going to help us create logos and flyer designs for our brand. We're going to be using the same brand idea of a cleaning service brand, right? And the tool is called IDEOGRAM AI. So you can go to your search bar, type in IDEOGRAM, IDEOGRAM.ai, and click on enter, and it will take you to that particular tool. All right. So I already opened it up here, and let's see what we have. So this is the tool. Make sure that this is the exact tool you are in so you don't make mistakes. And one thing that really bothered our former cohort and our last cohort, is that most of them went to the wrong tool. That's why I'm very particular in showing you the tool name and logo so you don't mess it up. All right. Now, this is Ideogram AI. So you can see other people's generations here. Someone created this image. Someone created this image. Someone created this. All of these things that you're seeing now have been created by other people. So we're going to create a flyer and a logo using this tool. All right. So there are two ways you can do it. One is that you come up here, which this bar over here, and you type in what you want. So you want a logo of a cleaning service business, or should I use the word brand? Cleaning service business called let's see, what should we call it? What should we call a cleaning service business? It's going to be something about clean. Let's have something about clean. Clean hub. Looks good. This is just for practice anyways. Clean hub, a logo of a clean service business called Clean Hub. All right. Now there are a few options here that you can choose from. First of all is the aspect ratio. Now 9:16 means that the image is going to be vertical. It's going to be long, and it's not going to be wide, right? 1:1 means that the image will be square, and then 16:9 means that the image is going to be wide, but it's not going to be long, right? So pick 1:1. Magic prompt. This is going to enhance your initial prompts to improve image variety and richness, right? In theory, or basically what Magic Prompt does is that this is all we wrote, a logo of a clean service business called Clean Hub. Magic Prompt is going to add other words that it feels is more appropriate to what we want to create so that we can get a better logo or a better design generally. Now, if it's on, we are going to see that the prompt is going to have additions when we check it out later. But if we turn it off, then all we are going to have is just our prompts, just what we wrote that we're going to get. So I want to leave it on, or let's leave it at auto. Auto means that it's going to decide whether to change the prompt or to leave it as it is. Let's leave it at auto, although I've tried it a lot, and whenever it's on auto, it mostly affects the prompt one way or the other. Then visibility, lastly, determines whether your image generation is going to be public, like all these other guys, or whether it's going to be private to you. But you can't really decide unless you upgrade your plans, unless you start paying for the tool. That's why it's locked. If you look over, you see a padlock close to it. So unless you pay, you won't have access to this feature. So all your generations will be public by default. All right. So let's generate now. Click on generate, and we're going to have the AI to start generating 4 images for us that could be possible logos for our cleaning brand. So we started on first day with AI in writing, and we talked about a cleaning brand, how important cleaning is, and all of that. The next day we talked about using AI tools in image generation. So we use CG Dreams to create a building for our business. Although we try to use it to affect from image to image to make a woman in a dress turn to another woman in a bridal dress. Didn't really work out well enough, but it was we tried. Then today now we're going to create a logo for our brand. So we have the write-up article for our brand. We have the business building headquarters for our brand, even though it was very funny. But you can create something even better. You can make it, all I was going for was futuristic. You can make it a normal architectural structure and the rest, and you're going to get a very good image. And today now we are looking at logo designs and flyer designs as well. Now this logo looks nice, although the what's this called again? The element that was used is very, very what's the word? Normal. I don't know if I should use normal, but like every other logo has this element to it, has this design. I don't like it. It's too boring. Next one. Nice. This is actually nice. It has a broom thingy here to show you that what we do is that we clean. We're in a cleaning service business. I like this. This is very, very minimalistic, very, very straight to the point. Just straight to the point. I mean, it's very beautiful. Let's see this other one. See, same design. Although there's a C in the middle, it stands for Clean Hub. It even has our tagline, cleaning service. This is so nice. I like this also. Let's check out the last one. Clan Hub. So one thing you're going to get is that in your generations, it's not always going to be spelled appropriately. It's not always going to be, correct. So you can go through various iterations before you can get the correct one, right? So this is the last one that we're given. It's not correct. It doesn't match with every other thing else. So if I was to select, I would choose either this one or this other one. This one looks so professional and all of that. But this one looks simple, straight to the point, minimalistic. I could put this on a website or on a soap bottle or something. It looks nice. I like it a lot. Right. So this is how you create logos using IDEOGRAM AI. Right. And we can also create flyers as well. Oh, let's come to the prompt here and see. So like I told you, with magic prompt on, it's going to give us something else than what we initially wrote. Now look at what we initially wrote, a logo of a cleaning service business called Clean Hub. With magic prompt, we now have a sleek, modern logo of a cleaning service business called Clean Hub. The design features a stylized image of a broom and mop in a circular hub with the company name in bold, clean font. The colors are predominantly blue and white, evoking a sense of trust and efficiency. The overall design is visually appealing and professional, perfect for representing a top-notch cleaning service. This, my dear, is why we use magic prompts. Now, you couldn't have thought about all of this in your head, or some people can. I mean, I can, and I would have added it. But just to show you the power of magic prompt, I made a very simple prompt and then left magic prompt on auto so that we can have all of this. It's why the logo that we have here is so beautiful, so nice, right? So you can also, if you don't like this, you can also iterate off of this. Let's say you like this, but you don't like the images that we use. I think the elements that we use here and here. You can iterate off of this prompt and generate again. All right, so let's come over here and click on remix. So you can click retry to create 4 new ones, or you can click remix, and the particular logo that you're on or the particular image that you're on gets remixed So if you are on this particular logo, this is the one that will be remixed. So your future iterations, we have this kind of design, these words, this color, but it will be changed based on what you are changing in your iterations. But it's going to have this as the background. That's why it's called remix. So I want us to remix this one instead. So let's hit on remix. This is our prompt. Let's remove image of a broom and mop and put image of a dustpan. Oh, sorry, I'm on all caps. Dustpan and a what else do they use in cleaning? Okay, soap bottle in a circular hub. All right. Now, most times, corrections are not going to be automatically implemented, but if you keep on trying it, you would have you see the corrections being implemented as well. So let's click on remix and let's see what it's going to give us. So we have to wait for 12 seconds, it says. And so look at other images that you can scroll through while you're waiting. Right. These are all very nice images. I like this one. It's nice. Right. This looks cool. It's like a neon sign. So nice. So these are other iterations that you can go through as well. And I told you about two ways that you can generate images, right? So you can either come here to generate them, or the next way is to, just like how we remixed our own image just now, you can come over here, click on any image that you want, that you like, but you want to do something differently with. Click on it and then click on remix. All right, so that's what it is. That's the other way you can do it. Let's see if our images have appeared now. If it has, then I can show you the other way as well. Okay. All right. Seems we are a go. So it's still being generated. Although I think this is problems with the platform. A lot of people are using this platform at any given point in time. So it's kind of slow most times. And you just have to wait a bit. It's going to eventually give you what you want. Here's the first image, second image. Oh, I can already see the soap bottle already being showed, and then the dustpan. Let's check out this one. Same thing. I think I see the dustpan being shown. It's nice. Okay, now let's check out, while we wait for it to be fully done, let's check out what I say we can do. I need to look for a good image that will suffice. And let's see. I think this, click on this. And like I said about remix, you can use this image, click on remix. It would use the image as a foundation for the next image that you want to create. Then you can change whatever you want. So now we can come over here, this place where it's writing Pluto, we can erase Pluto and put in clean hub, right? And then click on remix, and we're going to get a new image entirely. So those are the two ways that you can create images or yeah, images on ideogram.